Can you write unlimited number of articles without being detected by AI and without them being plagiarized? The answer is yes. How can you do it for free? Stay with me to the end. I'll show you how. So, you've come to ChatGPT. By now, we know that AI is here to stay. You've written your article. For instance, I've written an article here. What is the future of email marketing? So, if you check this article for whether it has been written by AI, my favorite tool that I use is this one, contentskill.ai. I want to remove this, paste an article written by AI, check for AI content. It takes a few seconds. All right, let's see. Human probability is 0. This article is highly likely to have been generated using AI. And that is true. But now again, how can we ensure that this article is not detected as having been written by AI? So you come here. I love this tool, rewritertools.com. And then you say, rewrite this one. It takes a few minutes or seconds for that matter. Click write. Let me copy. When you hit write, it's going to take several seconds. And then from there, you're going to get the results. As that happens, you can do another article, for instance, from ChatGPT, and say you want to write something like, how can I start an online business? And if you want to start an online business, this is the right channel to be in. So keep on watching content because I'll be uploading more of this that will help you get more clients in your business and also start an online business. So there you go. ChatGPT is doing the hard work of writing that, and then we have our results. There you go. So I'm gonna copy this one and then check whether it has been written by AI or not. So if we come here, move this, paste that one, and then click on check for AI content, we'll see the results. There you go. Highly likely to be AI generated. And that is true. But then again, if we copy this to our rewriter tool here, just like we have done with this, with the current article, what will be the results be looking like? And if this continues to process, you're looking at a scenario of where can you use these articles in day-to-day running of your online business or otherwise. You're looking at a scenario where you can generate over several hundreds of articles on daily basis, SEO optimized, with the target of selling your affiliate links, with the target of ensuring that you get leads, I mean, AdSense, AdSense revenue, and several other channels through which you can earn using the same. So there is an opportunity for that. So let's copy this one, the one that has been rewritten, and we check to see what do we have. So I'm going to copy this. Then come to our checker, away, and then we see the results. Check for AI content. And then we see how effective is that tool. It only takes a few seconds, so just a little bit of patience. And here we go. We have our results. 100% highly likely to be human. That's how you go about it. And if you do the same for this one, the results are going to still be the same. You just want to remove this, copy your current article, tell it to rewrite, and then it takes a few seconds and you will be done. These tools are absolutely for free. So, what is holding you back? Why don't you give it a shot and see? Thank you for watching. I hope you got the concept. Start. But most importantly, start today. Thank you. See you on the next one. It's goodbye for now.